Round 2, brother versus sister of Velcro head.
Get her, Gabe! Get her! Oh! Oh! Savannah, go!
Oh, one down. I think, Gabe, you're at a disadvantage because you're shorter than them.
Well, actually, Gabe's about as tall as me, so he should have been able to.
Oh, wait, did she get you?
No.
Almost.
She almost did.
The balls could fall off.
Gabe, run, dodge.
Don't go near
put
the
ball
neighbors'
on
cars, guys.
Savannah.
Guys, stay in our yard, please.
Maybe see if you can toss it onto the Velcro. A little bit. And maybe a small toss.
Wait, God. Wait.
You can't take a ball from her.
No. Hopefully it does. Then you have to pick it back up.
Almost. Almost.
Oh, Savannah wins.
No, it fell off.
Oh, wait. Savannah got 2 rounds.
No, it fell off.
Oh, you got to get it. Put it back.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, Gabe got you.
He took Savannah out.
Taste. Stay in our yard, Gabe.
You can run to the backyard if you want.
No, I can't film you if you're in the backyard. Almost.
Almost. Oh, oh. Hurry.
Almost.